charge, Josh Showstack Robinson.
Let's go, Chris. Let's go, Chris. Let's go, Chris. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stick and move. Got it. Come on. Cat Daddy on him real quick.
That was like 2 seconds.
He said he was going to win easy.
That was the fastest fight.
That's Thompson.
Ladies and gentlemen, 37 seconds in the very first round. Your winner by way of guillotine.